Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Yeah What She Said, Calgary's only women's and feminist radio program here on CJS.
Yeah, What She Said is the only feminist news program in Calgary and is hosted by Jenny Palmer, Gia Tanners, and Allison McNeely. The show discusses issues and topics that pertain to those interested in feminism. It also hosts a variety of guests who speak on different feminist issues.
We've talked about everything from roller derby to sexual assault to issues in pop culture on the show. Our main goal is to present stories and ideas and topics to people who are feminists.
Let's find out if women have the ability to create jobs. Otherwise, why are we so concerned with their reproductive system?
The show is a picture of 3 everyday women taking part in fair and honest discussion, an image far from the stereotypical and usually negative view that often goes along with the word feminist.
Most feminists are just your average gals who are into gender equality, and that's really not that extreme.
It's a huge contrast to respecting the culture and wearing a burqa, even though she wasn't really wearing a burqa. I mean, you could see her.
Although the show is the only one of its kind in the city, Gia says that the feminist scene in Calgary is growing and coming together.
In the past while, it seems like feminists are kind of banding together a little bit more to put on things like Take Back the Night, to collaborate with us on the show, and just to get their voices out there, which I think is ultimately the most important thing.
They hope to continue to grow and evolve their show, and are currently focused on getting a wider scope of guests speaking from around the world. For the Calgary Journal, I'm Lindsay Douglas.